I mentioned before, the language barrier is a tiny bit of a hurdle, but between Blue Elephant's fairly broken English and my non-existent Chinese, we still managed to understand each other fairly well. And I must say that almost every single question that I had from the beginning up until the questions that I put through to the maintenance team during the last day or two, the response has been really positive, really helpful, and really rapid. Now, I do live in Africa, and good service is really hard to come by. Everything looks really solid, really well engineered, well designed. But looking at what I paid for this machine versus what I'm getting for it, I really think it is good value for money. So all in all, in closing, I would say that my experience has been a very positive one. I'm very happy with my purchase, and I really look forward to all the things that I'm going to be able to do with this.